Hey, our friends, we're gonna draw another emoji. Which one are we drawing? You look like an emoji. Which one are we drawing today?
Heart emoji.
Yeah, the heart eyes emoji. The face with the hearts for the eyes.
Yeah.
The secret to drawing an emoji face is to have a bowl. Is that weird?
Yeah. Or circle.
Yeah. A circle. We use the bowl to trace around so we get a perfect circle, just like your face. You don't have to use a bowl if you don't want to. You could just draw the circle freehand. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Now for the first step, we're gonna use the bowl. We're gonna flip it upside down, and we're using a black old bowl that Mom doesn't really worry about because we're gonna use a black marker, and when we trace around it, we get marker on the bowl. So you wanna make sure that you ask your parents or an adult if it's okay to use the bowl. Now we're going to put our left hand on top of the bowl to hold it down, and that's because we're right-handed. So we're using our marker. We're gonna reach around with our right hand like this so that we can draw it all in one motion. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Look at that, perfect circle. Do you wanna try?
Yeah.
Put it down like that, hold it with your left hand, and reach all the way around, and then look over there so you can, yeah. Now hold it close to the bowl. There you go. Keep going. Yeah. You did it. Good job, man. Then we lift it up and look at that. You did it. Now we're done with the bowl, so we're going to put that off to the side. Now we're ready to draw the face. We're first going to draw the smile. We're going to draw a smile right here in the middle of the face. Is that cool?
Yeah.
We're just going to draw a little curve from here all the way over to there. Yeah, I like that curve. Okay, now I'm gonna draw a curve that comes down underneath. Hold on one sec, watch me. Now I drew the top part first, and then I drew a big U for the bottom part. You kind of already have the U. Do you wanna just draw the top?
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. Now what's our face missing?
The heart eyes.
The heart eyes, so that's the last step. We're gonna draw the left eye first, and we're gonna draw an upside down J. Watch this, let's get a curve like this, and then we're gonna come down. Look at that, if we turn it like this, backwards upside down J.
It looks like a candy cane.
It does look like a candy cane, so we're gonna start right here. We're gonna start right there, draw a curve that comes around down to the bottom. Yeah, now we're gonna draw the other side. And it's the same shape except backwards. Yeah, good job. Now we're gonna draw the right eye. And we're gonna do the same lines. We're gonna do the same steps. We're gonna start, draw upside down J. Oh, that's awesome. And then we're gonna draw the other side. Repeat the same steps. Come down. All right, we did it, Austin, except we're missing one thing. What is it?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color our emojis. It's gonna look so much better once we color it. Now this part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end you can pause it to match the same color. Great job, Austin. You did awesome on coloring your emoji. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Now, it's okay that our drawings look different, right?
Yeah.
Because how old are you?
6.
6, and you did your best. You did a great job. And it's okay if your drawings look different than ours, because the most important thing is,
To have fun.
yeah, to have fun and to
Practice.
practice and do your best. And we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
If you had fun following along in this lesson, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the circle. Then you can click the bell to get notified every time we upload new videos. I've also picked out these 2 other lessons I thought you'd really enjoy. Don't forget to take a photo of your child's finished artwork and share it on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter because we want to see how awesome it turned out.